Right, okay, so today we have this Outsunny tent and we're going to be doing a quick review on this. I purchased this from TEMU, dead straightforward, it arrived within about a week. Later on in the vlog I'll tell you how much it was. It did come with instructions, but with me being a man I threw them away. And this model is the Outsunny, the A20-424V00. So yeah, it comes in a nice little bag. It comes boxed. So I've took it out of the box. Comes in this bag. It has the little clips here to obviously keep it in place. So yeah, seems light enough. We'll try sticking it up now and see what it's like. So I've just cut me grass for the occasion. So we'll unclip this, take it out of the bag. We'll have a look and see what's inside. So, comes with a net. Now, I don't pretend to know anything about tents. This is my first ever tent. In fact, I bought it for the son. The son's come back from uni and he's going to be using it. So, I thought I'd try and stick it up. Like I say, I threw the instructions away. So, I'm just off a whim at the minute. Looks like there's some poles there. Stick them down there. Then that's the cover. I'm guessing that goes over the top. Is that there? Pretty straightforward. And then what else is in the bag? We have some pegs. Looks like there's some pegs and some guy ropes in there. So first of all, I think we'll lay this out. It is a 1 to 2 man tent, so it'll be interesting to see just how big it is. See if it'll just be my son who's going away with his friends in this, so should be pretty straightforward for him. So this is what the poles look like. Nice and light, sturdy, easy fit together. All I'm going to do now is just literally clip them all together. Comes in a nice little bag. So there we go, we'll slot that into there. Like so. Then that just clips into there, so it looks like there's a union. Like a 3-way union here that they're all fit into. So I'll push that one in there. And then that one into there. And then that one. You can see that. And that one into there, so. And then that one into there. So yeah. So I'm guessing the long bit goes over the top of the tent and then go down the sides. So if you have a look here, you can see there's clips. There's one there, one there, one there, one there. And then there's an eyelet just at the end, just here. So I'm guessing that there will obviously slot into there. And then that just clips on to there. So that'll be the main part of the frame. So we'll do that now. So that out. And then same for this side. They clip into there. Just on the sides, it's just a frame to keep it steady. Got one more there. So now I'll start putting some tension on the front. So I'll put it through the eyelet, just like that. It's quite windy today, guys. So apologies. The tent's blown all over. So then into this eyelet here. According to there, no, wrong, that's it there. So that's clipped in place. Now you can tell I've put a tent up before, can't you? And that is it. That clips onto there, just like so. And there you have it. So now what I think we'll do is we'll peg this down, just on the sides. Right, so all I've done at this point is just gone round and pegged it in. As you can see there, just pulled it out straight. And now we're ready for the canopy to go over. And the canopy just clips into these. There's all the way around these little clips. So it is quite windy today. But I suppose if you're on top of a mountain or wherever, there's no excuses then, is there? So we'll find out which one's the outer layer. That's it there, with the Outsunny logo on. And I'm guessing, because that's the zip part will go to the front. Yep, just like that. And here's the clips. So I'll reach down and clip into there, like that. We'll pull this one over. And then we'll do the back. That into there. See, the straps are adjustable on this. So obviously you can tighten it as you're going around. Seems pretty straightforward, to be fair, considering it's probably the first tent I've ever put up in my life. So a little bit out of my comfort zone, but that's what we like. And then this is it classed as a porch, would you say? The front bit. So we'll get some pegs and pull that taut. Some hoops there. Or loops, should I say. Just threads through the kind of eyelet hoop. Now I'd imagine be able to peg that down. On this instance, we're just going to roll it back. Just so I can show you guys what it's like inside. So there you go. Like you see, that is it there. As you can see, the straps are adjustable. To be fair, it was very, very straightforward to put up. This looks like it could do with a little bit more adjustment. See, they pull quite easy. Now we have the guy ropes to keep the front up. Right, so the guy ropes there, I've just put in, tied it at the front, the canopy, and then just through the hoop. Then at least I can tension that if I need to. Pull that nice and tight. Should have went to Scouts and might have been taught how to tie a knot. So I've noticed there's nowhere to hang anything, but there is a little pouch here. But if you did want to hang anything down, then you'd struggle. There's also a little bit of a pouch here to put your stuff you needed. And it looks like that easy zips up. And obviously you've got your front door here. So yeah, there you go. What do you think about the size? I mean, what am I, 6'3"? My son's 6'4". Is it for two people? Well, I'd imagine obviously you would be lying that way with your feet down this way. You probably would get two in at a push. two smaller people, but I think obviously anything with two people like my size, definitely enough. But I suppose if it was just for me or my son, at least he has space where he can put all of his stuff down, his bags, and you know, he leaves his shoes outside obviously, but you know, water bottles, anything that he needs in here. It's a shame there's nowhere to hang a light. There is a little bit of a canopy at the front, I suppose, where you could put a torch or a lamp. There's a little pocket there. But, you know, all in all, for what he needs it for, to go away with his friends camping, yeah, I suppose he's got to go and give it a try now and see what it's like and report back. So that is it. So that is the Outsunny. I will stick a link in the description. Say we purchased it from TEMU, and originally it was supposed to be £48, but Mick Outdoors has showed us many times, I don't know if you watch his channel, about what you need to do when you're ordering from TEMU, and I put it in the basket, and I left it, and I've done a price comparison thing or whatever, and then in the end, I don't know how, but I ended up getting £20 off, so it was 28 quid, and that was including free delivery. So is that worth it, guys? I don't know. Let us know in the comments. So like I say, I'm new to this, putting tents up. It's not my game. I don't understand it. But as always, we have our other channel, Travel Northerners. That's more my cup of tea, where we go away in our caravan. So if you haven't already, get yourself across there and have a like of that channel. All right, we'll see you again, guys. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.